This video is either going to be extremely, extremely boring or moderately boring. I'm going to be building a Lego set. More specifically, the office Lego set. You see, it doesn't have like a, maybe it's the way I'm saying it. Maybe if I say it more,
I'm building a Lego set. Specifically the office Lego set. Technically it's not Lego brand, but it's the same thing.
better. Let's go get a table so I can build the Legos. Alrighty, so ready to start. But before we start, I want to kind of scrape the rust off, because I haven't built a Lego set in probably 10 years. I didn't really have much Legos growing up. When I had like one of those trucks, like one of the they dig like holes, one of those trucks, like what Kane killed the Undertaker with. I mean, at my grandparents' house, in like the back porch area, there was a big container of Legos. But the problem with those is because they're kind of outside, there was always like a fear of spiders. So hopefully these Legos don't have spiders. So to scrape the rust off of myself, I'm going to, before I get into the big Lego set, I'm going to start off with a smaller Lego set, which is Boat with Flow. It's a progressive themed Lego set. I got this maybe a year ago, 2 years ago. It's been a while since I've had this, and I tried to build it, and I got about 5 minutes in and was so annoyed by it. So hopefully I'm not as annoyed today. I'm not sure how long this is going to last, or if it's going to look any good, but this is a backup camera, close-up. So, as you can see, I did already build the Flow, so she was annoying to build. I remember the hands were really annoying, but I feel like that might be the most annoying part of the whole thing. So, oh, there's an extra hand. Here's, those are stickers. This is something teaching you how to ride a horse, but she comes with a boat, so that I don't think I need. All right. Okay, it starts right here with. This seems pretty easy, but you know, like I said, I haven't built Lego in a really long time, so. Is that enough light? What if I plug this in? How's this look? Good enough. Okay, starting off, we need this piece, and this piece. And all we gotta do is put them next to each other. And then we take this piece, and we stick them together like this. And this piece, we stick together with this. Boat already. We take this piece, and it goes like that, and that piece goes like, nope, nope. Huh? Like that. Let's just keep going. Let's move along. So this is for some reason gold, but in real life it's green. Boom. Boom, boom. Ba-boom. Put that on there. Put this on here. And this. I did it! I did it, 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 I did it. Okay, we need the horse paper. The horse paper is saying to remove her feet. She has feet on in the thing, and why they're telling me to take the feet off. Oh my god. There's no there's no instructions for the stickers. So I'm just gonna wing that. Okay, so on the box, this sticker right here, it has a P. 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 Okay. Satisfying ASMR. Hair in my mouth. Oh, perfect. P. Next we have go with the flow. Don't know if it's in frame, and I hope it is, but look at that. Perfect. Go with the flow. The last sticker is supposed to wave onto this flag. How is that supposed to work? Oh, that one sucks. Oh, take it off. Oh. There it is. But with the flow. Look at this. Freak. So that was just a warm-up, as I said. I think a pretty good warm-up, to say the least. And way less time than I expected to take. So now let's go on to the big Mama Jamba. The big Mamba Jamba. Mamba Jamba. Well, I don't know how you say it. But for that, we have to go below the bed. It's below the bed. I have to find it. Okay, so as far as I know, it's under here. Ignore the toilet paper. This is a vacuum. It's down there somewhere, so I'm just gonna, these are toenail clippers. This, I don't know what this is. These are old, off-brand Ritz crackers. And then these are sunflower seeds. I think these are about 3 years old at this point. This is a giant glass egg. Ooh. This is a, tell me about the Carfax. I have a lot of insurance company products. This is a golf ball globe, and the point is to get the ball onto the... Oh! You get the point. Oh, look what I found under there. The table! There it is. My knees. Now this is well, this was a 19-piece puzzle. This one is 369. So this is like 20 times bigger than this, and this took me half an hour. So you do the math. It's basically Michael's, Jim's, Dwight's, and Pam's desk. Although we don't get a Pam, so I guess Flo will have to do. All right. Okay, so this... Oh, they're pre-made. Jim, Dwight, and Michael, all pre-made. That's pretty cool. These bags are not numbered. Okay, I don't know how to do... like I said, I've never built, especially... this is without a doubt, the biggest Lego set I've ever put together. Like, what do? How do I find these pieces? There's so many bags. And which bag would these pieces be in? I imagine maybe this bag? I'm going to start with this. It looks like I can see some of the pieces in there. So we need 1 2x4 and a 1 2. Neither of those pieces are in this bag. I think they're in this bag. Here's what I'm going to do. Brown, white, light, segregation. Maybe I won't pour them all out like I poured that one out, but I do need these 2x4s out of here. Two by four. So step 1, we take these 3 and we just put them next to each other, I guess. We're creating like an underfloor. But we're like 3 episodes in. I've been recording for that long. I clicked season 4, episode 1. We're on season 4, episode 3. I haven't put a single thing together yet. 10x4. And this 10x4 goes in this corner. Like this. Right? Did I do it right? Then, finally here, we take the big bang, bang, banger, and we bang, 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 and we bang, 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 bang. Last piece, and we have finally built a base, when they could have just given us a slightly bigger base. I don't think there's any other point to this. Okay, I'm pouring that up. Oh, there's still a piece in here that scared me so much. Hey, look, a door. Okay. I could see where this is. If I had like a music playing or something, I could see where this would be therapeutic. I'm having a better time than I thought I would, is what I'll say. I wonder what we're building. And this is like, oh, this is Pam. We're building Pam's desk. Another layer of wall. Okay, now we're building the desk, which we need one of these. Right there. Very tall chair. Let's show that. Chair. Look at that. So far, not too nabby. Now we need this big chunker. And we got to make this big chunker go right snare. I think right snare, right? Maybe one back, I think, actually. 6 brown. 6 brown. You can see under the desk, there's like a spot for your legs. Up here, I go ba-bang. I go ba-bang. I go, no, I don't go ba-bang. You go ba-bang. Which is right here. And then I need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8er. I'm missing a white, a long white. And I need an 8 white. But I don't know where it is. I think I got it all wrong from down here. So let's go back. Go back. Whoa, whoa. That was me rewinding. This goes like this. Okay. I also have to remove all this. Oh, it's so annoying. Okay, this goes like this. For sure. The problem is that they don't... It's like... It's just you have to look at the picture. I mean, there's no instructions or anything. 3. I'm looking at counting them, and then it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4. It's a 3, a 4, a 2. For some reason. A 3 on this end. Then 1 long piece there. All right, and then all this, and we need to make a keyboard and mouse. The mouse is a peg like this that is flat on the top, and it is microscopic. And then the keyboard is a flat white, and that goes not too shabby. Oh, the backup camera has officially died. There it is. Okay. This is a giant phone. Giant phone. Now we have to put a computer monitor sticker. We're 2 for 2 on stickers. 2 for 2. Pam desk. Oh, we're not done. True. We gotta put this on top of this. Desk done. Pam's corner is complete. We're like, oh, we're barely done. So we're now doing Dwight's the plant and Dwight's filing cabinet. All right. No way. Let me explain what happened. But I'm not stressing it. I will just recap what happened. I built all of Pam's desk. I built Jim and Dwight's desk. I built this cute little couch. If none of it recorded, none of it recorded. I do not care anymore. We're on episode... We've watched 8 episodes of The Office. We're at the beginning of episode 8. We watched 7 episodes altogether. Okay, now we're building a door. A jar. So far, if none of that recorded, I like it a lot, especially this couch. The couch was fun to build. The couch looks really cool. I like the couch. The couch is my favorite. We're about to build a chair, but for some reason, like it's separate build, but for some reason they're building the whole wall plus the chair in the same. It's really dumb, but right now we're building a wall. Build that wall. Donald Trump. Joke. All right. Okay. Door frame. Door. Door goes in the door frame. And now for the Dunder Mifflin sticker on the door. Not too schnab. So it goes against this wall. That really ties the whole room together. Okay, see? I did a wall. See from this side. There's a couch and a wall. There's Pam's art. Now we're doing Michael's desk. What dropped? My thumb drive. Okay, this with this on the front to make a drawer. All right, drawer. Do a little double up. On there. Oh, this is just an entire page of stickers. I will skip that for now. Okay, I guess we're done. I do have a lot of extras. This is a keyboard. Goes here. Stack of envelopes. Okay, I misrepresented this. Okay, let's do the awful part, which is putting on all of these stickers.
It's time for a sticker montage!
Perfect computer. Perfect computer. Perfect computer. One keyboard. Two keyboards. Michael's keyboard. Reception. Regional manager. Tiny, tiny, ridiculously tiny letter on Pam's desk. Tiny letter on Pam's desk. Tiny letter, Jam's desk. Tiny letter, Michael's desk. Tiny letter, Michael desk. Dwight's desk, 20 letter, Dwight's desk. Tiny letter, Michael's office. Wall. Calendar. I don't know about that one. There's no turning back now. That is just is what it is. This fell. Let's do it again. One more time. I'm done. I do have this extra white square, but I'm not at all sure where it goes, so I'm just going to put it back here on that cabinet, and there it is. So this is not an official timing, but the time is 10 episodes. 22 times 10?
22 times 10 is 220.
220 divided by 60?
220 divided by 60 is approximately 3.6667.
So basically, 3.667 hours. Oh, I didn't open up the guys. Dwight, Jimothy, Mike. I guess there's nothing else left to do but recreate a scene from The Office. Hey, Dwight. Where's Pam?
How would I know? She's your wife.
What was that?
Hi guys, how you like my new ride?
Who are you?
Who are you?
It is I, Pam, Beasley, and definitely not Flo from Progressive. Gecko!
Well, that's it. I mean, it wasn't as bad as I thought, although I will say, I do got a bit of a hand cramp, you know, and I mean, I spent the last 3 hours just staring, getting absorbed into the Legos. It like, I don't know, whenever I look around, I just see Legos.
I got all the time in the world, so for now I'm just chillin'.